All right, guys. So I've done this a few times, and this styrofoam piece in the back I knew was on its last leg, so I really didn't care about breaking it. But you do got to be very, very, very careful when you're melting all this stuff, because you don't want to hurt the coil that's behind there, or any of the pull out any of the connectors. But I was able to pull off the bottom corner. As you can see, it's literally embedded in ice, and I was able to get this piece off. And as you can see, the fan is completely enclosed in ice. As you can see, there's a giant block of ice back there. The drain was completely clogged. I've been hitting that for a little bit, but before I pulled this off and I started taking it all out, I wanted to give you guys a quick look and see how bad this can get, right? I mean, that fan is supposed to circulate the cold air. This drain is supposed to, there's a heating element around this, puts it into defrost mode. That water's supposed to drain down to the bottom. The drain's completely frozen solid. Nothing's going down there. So let's, I'm gonna go ahead and get this ice off, pull this old cover off with the fan. The new piece I got is a brand new one of these with everything, with the temperature sensor and with the new fan. So should be good to go with that. That's pretty exciting stuff. There are some modifications that I'm gonna have to make down there, add a couple things, and we'll get to that once I get all this out of here. But right now I'm gonna have to work on getting all this ice out. But you want to be very careful around here. You don't want to damage any of this. You don't want to damage any of this, because that's what makes the whole fridge get cold, right? I mean, you break one of these pipes, you're done. I mean, you gotta call in a professional. Then you're not doing that. So best thing to do here is just hit it with the blow dryer, take your time, wait till it all comes off. What I'm gonna do right now, since I can, is I'm gonna take off these connectors. And if you look, there's a little button on the bottom here. There's a little button on the side there. Now, remember, my fridge is unplugged, so when I push that, I can pull it out like that. See? Same thing with this one. Put my finger on the side, pull it out, boom, comes right on. Okay, now here's the old one. As you can see how much ice. There is a fan inside of there, if you can believe that. It is inside all that ice. So let me get rid of this, start cleaning all this stuff up, and get this thing done before all my food spoils. Talk to you guys in a little bit.